Alright, it is day 10 of the road to 1 million Spotify listeners. Wow, we are in double digits already. Today was a very productive day. Today, I was able to knock out 3 videos with the help of my bro Jeremiah. Shout out to my dog Jeremiah. That's my homie since the sandbox days, since elementary school, since a nigga was FOB, you feel me? That's been my dog. He was able to pull through today, help me shoot 3 videos and just shooting my content in bulk. And I'm just trying to stack up the days because I edit my own videos too. So once I get in that editing flow, I love having stuff to just keep knocking out. It helps me be productive and be efficient. And then tomorrow we're actually gonna shoot some more, and be on the lookout for Jeremiah too. He's getting into the music. We're gonna be working a lot together. I'm gonna be doing my best too to work with a lot of folks from Bellflower in general. So yeah, stay on the lookout for some stuff from him, and from stuff from us is gonna be major. But yeah, today was very productive, and that's what it's all about, you know, stacking your wins, you know, and each day making sure you end the day with a win. Each day making sure you go to bed knowing that you took actionable steps toward your goal, you know. That's what you want to go to bed with, the feeling. And that's what I feel like I did tonight on a very, very high level. As far as this Spotify count, I have not had a chance to check where we're at, and my phone has been tripping, so I can't even pull it up. I'll have to check it on my computer, but I'll put it on the screen. And yeah, shout out to everyone for tuning in. Hope everyone's doing good. See y'all on the next episode.